So here's the bend test. I have it in a big vise. I'm putting my gloves on. I got glasses on and protective wear. I'm going to put a pipe over the handle because it's not a very big knife, only a 3.5-inch blade, which, you know, when they do the bend tests, and the knife makers usually have, 5 to 6 inch longer blades anyway. But since we're doing the whole route, we're going to do her. And I've never done this before, so hold on and we'll see what happens. Good luck to me and the knife and everything else here. Okay, it bent, well, I'd say a little ways. It's bending into the wood, which I didn't want to goof up things or slip, but here we go some more. Oh, I think I heard a crack. Okay, I wish I could tell how far that is. Let me get my glasses off. Yeah, that's pretty good. It looks exaggerated because the wood's getting cut in too. But we're going to go to the limit and break it if it will. If it won't, that's fine too. Well, it looks like the test didn't work. It's still straight as an arrow, yeah, but it tore the wood up. So I guess I'm gonna have to put it in the vise. So hold on, folks. Won't move now. I thought the wood would be a nice softer way to go. Okay, you still with me? Okay. I think I got it down too far. It's a good vise. That hasn't broken yet. Doggone thing hasn't even moved yet. So I'm going to put less of it in since it's such a short blade. There we go. Kind of shakes the whole bench. And this is pretty incredible. I can't break it, guys. Let's see if it's bent any. I'm getting pooped. Man, nice, no cracks. Let's see if you can see here. No cracks, nice and straight. Well, I'll try it once more. It's really hot in the shop here, and makes it harder. Been 95 today. Okay, here it goes. It's moving the vise. Man. It's moving the vise out of the socket. Well, I tell you, it's one tough knife. It won't break. It won't bend. So what can I say? I think you can use this baby in confidence. It's a tough booger. What I didn't say, I differentially heat treated this, so the blade is harder than the spine. I kind of made a mess of the handle there. I might do this a giveaway just for the fun of it. But man, that blade is just straight as straight still. With a shorter knife, I suppose this is expected, that you're not going to, you're either going to break it or not. But look at the poor vise. I pulled it out of its socket. Hopefully I can get that fixed. The knife's tougher than the vise and the bench. Anyway, some of my knives I've been making, and I wanted to test this. The blade still looks beautiful. Of course, it'll still be sharp because I haven't done anything since the last test. Let me get some paracord. If it cuts it easily, which it didn't, yeah, so it's a little bit duller than it was before. That's a good test, folks, if you want to try your blade. Yeah, it cuts it, but it doesn't cut it as good as it should. So that's dulled a little bit, but what can you expect with what I did to it? Strong blade, and the handle held really well too. No cracks in it except for the vise marks. So pretty tickled. Good 5160 steel.